Family caregivers know how important it is to keep track of a loved one's medication regimen. And as a website catering to this demographic, you want to provide your visitors with the best resources to help them care for their loved ones. That's where Medication Call Reminder comes in. Our innovative software solution provides timely medication reminders and helps patients track their dosage history. And as a website catering to family caregivers, you can earn up to 30% commission by reselling Medication Call Reminder to your visitors. By adding Medication Call Reminder to your offering, you'll be providing a valuable resource to your visitors while also earning extra income. And the best part? You can sign up to become an affiliate reseller through Lead Dino. With Lead Dino, you can easily track your and manage your affiliate program. So what are you waiting for? Sign up at Lead Dino today and start earning commission on each subscription you sell. Medication Call Reminder and Lead Dino, the perfect solution for websites catering to family caregivers looking to add value to their offering, manage their affiliate program, and earn extra income. Visit medicationcallreminder.com/affiliate to learn more.